What is Ethernet wiring?
The Ethernet wiring refers to using physical cables like Cat5e or Cat6 to connect devices directly to your home network. Unlike Wi-Fi, which transmits data wirelessly, Ethernet provides a dedicated wired connection. This setup is commonly used in offices, but it's increasingly adopted in smart homes for its speed, reliability, and security advantages.
Stable and consistent connectivity.
One of the main benefits of Ethernet wiring in a smart home is consistent and stable connectivity. Wired connections are less prone to drops and interference than Wi-Fi, especially in homes with thick walls or many electronic devices. This stability ensures that critical devices like smart security cameras and hubs remain reliably connected around the clock.
Faster data speeds and low latency.
Ethernet connections typically offer faster speeds and lower latency than Wi-Fi. This means data transfers happen quickly, and commands from your phone or smart speaker reach devices almost instantly. For video streaming, real-time controls, or gaming in a smart home environment, the increased speed of Ethernet wiring can make a noticeable difference.
Improved security for your network.
This is another significant advantage of Ethernet wiring in smart home setups. Because data travels through physical cables, it's less vulnerable to hacking or unauthorized access compared to wireless networks. This is especially important for smart locks, cameras, and other devices that manage sensitive information or home access.
Reduced Wi-Fi congestion.
Using Ethernet can reduce congestion on your Wi-Fi network. By wiring central smart devices, you free up bandwidth for devices that must use Wi-Fi, like tablets or phones. This can improve the overall wireless experience in your home, reducing slowdowns and buffering for everyone using the network.
Summary: choosing the right connection.
While Wi-Fi offers convenience and flexibility, Ethernet wiring is often the better choice for central smart home devices, needing speed, consistency, and security. By combining Ethernet and Wi-Fi, you can create a smart home network that's both robust and reliable, making everyday tasks and automated routines smoother and more dependable.